Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on using StatCrunch to compute graphs and summary stats. So here I am in the my math lab. So if you come over here and click on the StatCrunch, uh, bring up the StatCrunch, I'm just going to use the data sets from the StatCrunch labs that we've all been using, and they're already loaded in. Hopefully you have your StatCrunch, your data, your project file in here as well. So all you have to do is load up your project file. So in this case, I'm just going to come over here to load, and then you just come down here to my data. Okay, and then you'll just scroll through here to look for your project data or whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to choose this GPA data set here. Okay, so working with this data set, one of the things we would like to do is to construct various graphs. So if you just come over here to graph, you'll notice you have a whole bunch of different types of graphs. Okay, so maybe if you're supposed to want to construct a histogram, you just choose histogram. We'll come over here and choose the variable you want. And there's really nothing special under here that you really need to highlight, and you just compute. And here's the graph right here. To copy and paste this graph over, if you just come over here to copy, and then it says control click. So I'm just going to control click, and it'll say copy image. And then all you got to do is go back to your Word document and control V and paste it back into your document. Here, if you want to do, say, a box plot, again, you can just choose the variable. And I like to check this guy here on this one, draw horizontally. If not, it'll be up and down. So notice that we get our box plot here. Just kind of like what you would do in the old mini tab. So again, you just copy, and then you just do the control click, copy image, and that will copy and paste over there. And you can do more than one, again, on these graphs if you want to do more than one. Let's just say on a stem and leaf plot, we want to take a look at this one and this one. Okay, let's see, to select moved with shift click or command click. So I'll put this one and this one over there. And let's just see what this would look like. So here we get this histogram here, and this stem and leaf plot, and then this stem and leaf plot right here. So you can do more than one if you would like. On the on a box plot, again, you just choose which one you want. We'll choose this one, and then command click over or control click, whatever, if you're on Windows. Again, I'm just going to flip it so it's horizontal, and there's nothing special I'm going to do. And there is our box plot. Again, you just go copy, and then command or control click, copy image, and then paste that into your project. The next thing I'd like to want to show you is to compute the summary stats. So if you just come over here to stat, and then we're going to go to columns. So here we can choose again the GPA. And since you don't have to compute all of these, I mean, this thing is going to compute a whole bunch of stuff for you. So notice that you only need the mean and the variance. So I'd go mean, and then here notice again it's the little pop-up window. Since I'm on a Mac, I'll use the command click. So here I just need the standard deviation, and then here we have the mean, the standard deviation for the variable, and then I need the 5-numbered summary. So here I kind of want to put these in order. So I'm going to just hold down my command or my control key on the Windows, whatever it says, and I'm just going to go minimum, Q1, median. Then I'm going to come down here, Q3, and let's see. There should be a max. Where'd the max go? Right there. And then the maximum. So notice over here I got these things in order. So I can go ahead and boom, there they are. So all you got to do is go back into your project on that table and just type in for variable 1. Just go ahead and type that in, and then you just copy and paste these over and put them in that project template that I've created for you guys. I have updated it, by the way. Summary stats, again, if you want, you can just come here to GPA here and command click here. And again, we can just come over here, mean, standard deviation, and then go minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and the maximum. And here I've got both the variables. Again, you can just knock this out in one shot. Boom, there they are. All right, so I hope this video helps you out. Okay, thanks a lot.